Hi everybody, it's Adrienne here. Thanks for joining me on my channel. Today, let's go ahead and do a Dollar Tree haul. I had gone to two Goodwill stores and there's a Dollar Tree near one of them, so I went there after all of the other shopping that day. So I want to show you a lot of the great things I was able to find and things that other people had hauled, and I was hoping that I would find, and I did find some, so yay! Okay, for my grandson, I went ahead and picked up these Welch's flavors to put inside your water for extra tasty drinks. There's no sugar added, but there's also no aspartame. That's incredible, especially giving it to my grand teen, you know. He'll be able to enjoy passion fruit as well as strawberry peach. So I'd seen these hauled and I was really glad to find them at my store. And I'll go ahead and drop that one, that's okay. And there are 6 sticks in each package. So that's a little something for him. A little something for me in the let's kick up the flavor of your water. I chose Pure Kick. And this one was called Energy with 0 sugar. And it is a blood orange flavor. And it says, kick up your routine. Get that drink stick going that has some caffeine, vitamins, and electrolytes. And that will help you make the most of your day. And there's 10 calories. So that one's for me. And it does have aspartame. But I'm an adult. It's cool. And we're probably going to be seeing these every Dollar Tree haul. 3 more bags of sunflower seeds. I'm telling you, if you have IBS and after a flare-up, go ahead. Peanut butter is very calming. And so I eat peanut butter pretzels and sunflower seeds, and it just really helps my stomach after an IBS flare-up. Keeps me regular to boot. Yay! Okay. Recently, on this Martha White brand, I had 2 packs of banana muffins, and I went and made them. And I had 2 bananas that I put in. So 12 muffins with 2 bananas between the 12. They were so delicious. So I thought, okay, I knew I had a blueberry in my cupboard still. So I picked up wild berry, and I thought I could go ahead and either combine the 2 of them, or I'll just make 6 at a time. So I was happy to get that. Yay, I adore V8 juice. And these are the original. So Ono. And what are they telling us to boot, right? 2.5 servings of vegetable. Absolutely fabulous. 2.5 servings of your vegetables. I love this chilled. It's very refreshing. I love savory, so a savory drink. Oh, I've actually loved V8 juice since I was a kid. And I don't like buying the affordable larger containers because I kind of like, I'll drink one and then I'm done for a minute. And I tend to then throw away the rest of the container after time. So, $1.25. $1.35 with a deposit. I'm happy to pay it to get me veggies. Ta-da! Oh, if you remember in the last Dollar Tree, I had all kinds of medications, and I really kept picking things out for my son that are cold, flu, and allergies. And I hadn't seen this Advil one before, and it calls it a multi-symptom cold and flu. It's got ibuprofen in it, as well as nasal decongestants, some antihistamines, yep, so Dramamine. It's got all kinds of little means. So there's another one for my boy. Now I saw an article. In fact, there's been numerous articles lately on my news feed about Dollar Tree and their selections and all their different great values. So these are good till September of 2024. It is imitation crab. Fine. I read really, really good reviews on being able to pick these up at a Dollar Tree. You can make a lovely, lovely crab salad with these. I think it would just be amazing. You could stuff a tomato with crab salad with shredded lettuce around it. There's some really terrific summer meal ideas that can be had. And I'm really glad that I read the article and that they, in particular, had mentioned what a good value for protein and such that these chicken of the seas imitation crab meat are. So I picked up 2 of those. Oh, I have a selfie stick, and I thought this might have been the right number of the circular battery to use in it, but it is not. Thus, I have been on Amazon and threw the correct batteries into my cart. So far, Dollar Tree has had 3 different circular batteries, and not one of them has been the right number combination. Ta-da! Excuse me. This was hauled along with other flavors, so I decided for nostalgia's sake, I'll go ahead and take this over for the my grand teen. I think that he might just have some fun in a hungry moment opening an old can of SpaghettiOs, but it's new flavors. It's Frank's Red Hots. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're not having bland SpaghettiOs. We're having Red Hot SpaghettiOs. So, more stuff for the grand teen. What else can he have? How about imitation Oreo cookies? So this lovely 18-pack should fulfill a lot of late night munching for, you guessed it, that's right, once again, the grand teen. This is for him. Also for the grand teen and his dad will eat these too, I picked up 3 more boxes of the Sun-Kissed smoothie bars. These have no high fructose corn syrup. There's not a frozen bar that I've seen sold that does not have high fructose corn syrup. So when somebody hauled these, I ran out. I actually had found them. Well, the 2 boxes that I sent over to my son's house, each boy, my boy and my grand teen, they each ate a box in one sitting. Well, these do have a lot of calories because they are full of sugar. So it is 220 calories. There's 55 grams of sugar. So better on one hand, still funky on another. But I have a box in my freezer, and I have to tell you, the boys were right. These are delicious, and I know that they'll be stoked that I picked them up some more. Also, what I picked up were these name brand Bum women's socks. So you can see it's a 2-pack for the $1.25 of a name brand. This one we have the royal blue and purple. We have another shade of blue, and we have the hot pink. Last time I was in, they had these in a white pair and a blacky gray pair, and I picked up 2 of them. I wore them, I've washed and dried them, and they are still comfortable. I always have to be concerned if an elastic area is going to become too tight. It really doesn't even have to be tight. It's just me having elastic encircling an ankle or foot area and such. It just is bad for my circulation. That's just the way I am. So these washed up very nicely. I think these will be just terrific for summer sock wearing. So I was delighted to be able to pick up some colors this time when I went in. So, excelente. Also, on my last Dollar Tree haul, I had told you that, I am particular about, oh, hi Dollar Tree, sorry you fell down, about buying plastics. And I had bought this size of a plastic container last time, and I was hoping that all of my nail stuff would fit inside of it. And I have so much nail stuff now. Thank you, Tamu. Well, as it turned out, it wasn't big enough. So I moved over my jewelry repair stuff into the container and put the nail stuff into this oblong box that I'd had the jewelry repair stuff in. Well, I'm just not happy. So I picked up another one because I think I'll do 2 with my nail stuff, because one of these can be full of sort of the back stock of nail stuff, the hundreds and hundreds of fake nails that I bought huge packages of on Temu. So I'm going to use 2 of these for the nail. Again, that way they can sit on top of each other, see-through, matching lid colors, so I'll know what those are for. And as I'll be taking back the other one of these, I picked up this very deep rectangular shape with an orange lid. And if you were using this for foodstuffs and all of that, it's even got a button to help seal in the flavors. So this one is going to be full of my stuff that is for jewelry repair. And the 3 of those can be stacked. That other one. Organized. You know how it is. Once you get things organized, then it's so much easier to follow through with the project. Okay, everybody, look at all of this. We really had a lot of variety. I had, this was 1 week ago that I had already been to Dollar Tree. So I really didn't need much of anything, but I found much of everything. Well, kind of as usual, right? So I hope you enjoyed our visit to Dollar Tree. Yes, my little homemade Dollar Tree sign fell down. It's a Dollar Tree video. And please do remember to subscribe and like. You have to do all of those YouTube channeling things. It means a lot to me. And I do love for you to leave a comment. I always respond. I love interacting. Part of having a channel is this is the 21st century's way of also making friends electronically. And thank you to YouTube for making it all happen. Okay, everybody, see you again soon. Hope you enjoy your upcoming days.